The predicted holiday surge is here, and COVID cases and hospitalizations are on the rise across LA County. The figures are alarming, and if the trend continues, we could be in for new restrictions.
And that could include another mask mandate. Pedro Rivera live in East Hollywood with the latest. Pedro.
Micah, Cher, masks may be mounting a comeback here in LA County if they continue to head in the direction that they're heading in. The number of cases continuing to rise, hospitalizations. We could see a return to mandatory indoor masking by the end of the month. Again, that's if we continue to head in that direction. But hospitals like the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles here are seeing a rise in hospitalizations among children. If COVID numbers continue to climb, LA County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer believes the county would move back to the high transmission level as soon as next week. That means if CDC standards are reached, like a strain on hospitals, we could see a return of mandatory indoor masking in places like restaurants, bars, and schools by the end of the month.
We would be back to saying our healthcare system is getting stressed out. We need to slow down transmission.
At a press conference Thursday, Ferrer announced the county was moving from low transmission levels to medium. Here's why. Cases and hospitalizations are up. LA County's reporting more than 2,700 cases a day, or 188 cases per 100,000 residents weekly. If it gets to 200 cases weekly per 100,000 residents, the county will move into the high transmission level.
We had more people report to us positive COVID tests after they came back from Thanksgiving than we've ever had before. There just is a lot of transmission.
Hospitals are also seeing an influx of children impacted by COVID. At Children's Hospital of LA, COVID positivity rates jumped up 2.8% from October to November, with 1 in 4 children in the ICU.
I will tell you, I definitely am being pushed to the limits.
Dr. Neela Sethi is a pediatrician who has seen the COVID winter surge fill up emergency rooms and hospital beds. That's not including children who have been hit hard by RSV and the flu.
Our ERs are completely overwhelmed. There are no hospital beds. ER wait times are like 4 and 5 hours at a time. So what we tell parents is do your best to keep your child comfortable at home. Call us. Let us help you with supportive care.
It's why doctors are asking for parents to keep a close eye on your kid before bringing them in for treatment.
If they feel like they're getting very sick overnight and they're struggling to breathe, or they look really out of it, or they're not eating, they're not drinking fluids, they're not sleeping as well, then it warrants an ER visit.
And right now, masks are just strongly recommended here in LA County. It is not mandatory at this time. But county health officials, they are urging people the best way to protect yourself from those severe symptoms of COVID is to make sure you're vaccinated. Reporting live in East Hollywood, Pedro Rivera, KTLA 5 News.
Pedro, thank you.